This is the patient for today, a household drying rack. I've tried gluing this already and it wouldn't hold, it kept breaking. With the pandemic going on, I don't really want to go out or pay for a new one. The plan is to design a simple cylinder in CAD, and then we'll print this out on my i3 Mega and we'll slide it over the broken rod and glue it into place. Here I'm using Fusion 360 to create the model. I've since flipped over to free CAD because it's open source and not proprietary. Lots of examples online that you can find. Mostly YouTube tutorials are really handy, but long and the short of it is we make our cylinder in a circle shape and then we just extrude it in 3D. Then we go ahead and export that to an STL file that we can work with the 3D printer. The model looks pretty good for what we need. We'll export that out and bring it into Cura. Cura is going to slice it into all the G-code that the printer needs to make it. I exported it horizontally by accident here. No problem, just rotate it to the vertical. That way the printer can do it really easy. We hit export, go ahead and move the files over to our printer of choice. Today we're using the i3 Mega. Away we go. This episode brought to you in part by PCBWay. Check them out at the link below for your next electronics project. They offer competitive rates for all PCBs, parts, and assembly, as well as 24/7 tracking of your order from start to finish. Now there's pretty much nothing to it at this stage. I need to break things apart, and then I slide the cylinder over and make sure we have a good fit and remove any of the glue from my previous attempts at repairing this. Once I'm happy with the fit and things look like they're going to hold together, then I go ahead and glue it up. Now this may seem like a really simple repair, because it really is, but this is the difference between me having to go out and deal with lockdown lineups and closed stores. We're just repairing it in my house, and this is a solid, good repair. I'm really happy with it. And back in place, everything is working perfectly. It's nice and solid, more solid than it ever was from new. No problems. I didn't have to go out in the pandemic. I was able to keep this in service and save myself a bit of money. Wonderful use for 3D printing. Good luck in all your projects.